Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Suzuki GSX-R600. This bike's got just a little under 5,500 miles on it. It is in great shape. Has been tipped over gently on the left-hand side, which I'll show you when we go around. Other than the fender eliminator is pretty much stock, so she is ready to be customized by the new owner. As you can see by the front end here, everything is in great shape. We will be putting new tires on this bike. As you can see, the right side of it here is very clean. And again, that fender eliminator on the rear. We'll be putting a new back tire on it as well. So with the tip over on the left, here's one of those spots. You can just kind of see a little chattering here along the edge of the tail section. And then we've got a little bit here on the middle fairing. But like I said, other than that, that is it. Very gentle, very minimal, all cosmetic. So, good looking, low mileage 600. $54.27 is what's on this bike. Set the camera down here. This GSX-R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com